Yung Friday, dito na naman tayo sa ating afternoon vlog after work. Like I said, pupunta tayo sa beach para mag-unwind. Maligo tayo doon sa beach. Kahit malamig, kahit wala ang araw masyado. Pero warm naman siya, 27 degrees eh. Sabi dito, pero cloudy. Ano tayo?
In 400 meters, turn left onto 58th Avenue.
Ano tayo ng ano ba yan? iPhone left behind. Parang andun pa rin kaluluwa ng iPhone, tapos dito sa pag malayo sa sabihin iPhone left behind. Ano yun? Hindi niya alam na umalis na si iPhone. Ngayon na naggamit ako ng Action 4 kasi gagamitin ko sa dagat, waterproof. Kasi yung Action 5 is may chip yung pag-charge ng USB-C doon, parang yung bukas niya sira, so we'll use this one. Nandito na tayo, mahangin pero kayang-kaya natin yan. Dito tayo. Tignan natin yung sa ilalim ng ayan, nakuha na rin natin ang inaasam-asam natin sa malapit sa tabing dagat dito sa Canada. Yung lake, ito mga talagang ocean to eh. Salty water, hindi siya yung fresh water. Pero gusto ko yung Purden Lake, the best spring fed, malinis tubig na fresh water sa lapit sa Prince George, mga 45 minutes away na papuntang east. Napunta kayo ng Belmont o McBride, punta doon yung ang Purden Lake. Ito Crescent Beach, it's nice, siya, tahimik. Tapos sa South Dome, nandun yung White Rock eh. Magkadugtong itong mga to. So, Yan o. Shell. Balik natin yung mga para dito. Kung natin kukunin. Yan, yan. May train. Yung iba, alam na yung oras na darating yung train. Hindi mo kalindin na yun. Yun, lakas yung train. Yan, magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyo. Andito na naman tayo sa ating vlog na pinamagatang Points Robert. Tayo, no? Punta tayo ng Points Roberts. Tingnan natin kung ito yung US city. Oh my goodness. US City na tawag nito Washington State na kailangan mong magpakita ng Canadian passport. And we'll just see how it goes, right? It's not recording. I don't think you could record it while it's you're talking with the officer. So, and dala natin ang ating passport at lagyan natin konting light at we'll see how it goes. Ito yung nirenew natin sa online.
In 600 meters, take the British Columbia 99 North Ramp to Ferries, Vancouver.
Natin doon tayo magpagas sa Points Roberts. May ano pa naman tayo, half.
Continue on British Columbia 99 North for 4 kilometers.
Pasok sana ako dun sa Esso gas station. Biglang yung malaking truck na magra-right. Hindi sa entrance. Inokupyahan niya lahat ng space. So, hindi na tayo nakapasok. That's okay. Yan, Sawasan palang bigkas dun sa Chawasan. Sawasan. Nilipat natin yung ating camera para tayo lang makikita, para pagkausap natin dito yung officer hindi siya nakikita. We just explore. Yeah, so ang reason natin is we're just gonna explore Points Robert.
Continue on 56th Street for 5 kilometers.
Bakit na gano'n? 5 kilometers pa. Parang yung Chawasan parang sawsawan ng basa ko eh. Sawsawan, Chawasan, sawsawan. Nakalito. Yan o, yung driving din dito sa big city, not necessarily, because it's more cars, right? More different, diverse people. Not diverse pa, no? So, like, some of them, they're like, merge na ganun, one lane. This one is trying to just race up on me. I'm on the right.
In 500 meters, continue on to Tai Drive.
So I just let it go and just wait.
Right to stay on Tai Drive.
Oh, we're in the US. We're in the US. Pedestrians, bike only. Point Roberts, USA. Stop here until vehicle ahead is released.
Turn right to stay on Tai Drive.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Well, thanks. Please have your back window down when you pull up. What are you up to?
I'm just gonna explore Point Roberts. Yeah, just moved here to Vancouver from Prince George. So that's
all
my That's my work stuff. Like I'm a field service technician for.
You're not bringing that in today.
Okay.
But you can't bring in stuff like that. You can't bring in tools. You can't bring in work product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's our way of protecting American jobs and stuff like that. So in the future, if you want to come down,
Okay.
empty out your entire car of anything work related,
Okay.
even tools.
Okay.
Okay. No product, nothing.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut through
Okay.
my secondary lot right here
Okay.
and make a left back to Canada.
All right.
Okay. You're not being denied entry. Your items are.
Okay.
Okay. There is a clear distinction.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right.
I will be making note that I did tell you
All right.
and that you're made fully aware. Do you have any questions about what I am doing or what I told you?
So it's totally empty. No, nothing at all.
Nothing work related. Nothing commercial.
Oh, okay. Because yeah,
Yeah.
like I'm a field service tech. So,
Exactly. So no tools,
yeah. All right.
no equipment, no product.
Okay.
Nothing like that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Other than that, please come visit.
Okay, no
All
problem.
right. So you're gonna make a left through our secondary area.
At the stop sign there.
Yeah. You're
Okay.
just gonna cut through those little lanes and then
Okay.
make a left back to Canada. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I'll watch you.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye. Right here? Oh. Any lane. Okay.
Head toward Roosevelt Way, then continue straight onto 56th Street. Continue straight onto 56th Street, then turn left onto 56th Street. Turn left onto 56th Street, then continue onto Tyee Drive.
Hello. I'm just back again. I got work tools in my back, so they said I can't bring my work tools and my like stuff. Yeah.
What is in the box?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, they just turn you around.
Yeah, they just turned me around and can't bring those tools. I said to empty it, and then they're not denying me. They're just
Saying,
saying just empty it and then come back or whatever.
have a good day.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye. So yun, got denied in the US. My goodness, that's a good experience, right? So
Head
Can't-
toward Sherwood Boulevard,
can't
then
bring
turn
in
right
tools.
onto Sherwood Boulevard. Turn right onto Sherwood Boulevard. Then you'll take your first left onto Alpenwood Lane.
okay, let's go. Turn around. Go to Chawaza Mall. Let's fucking Sunday. I'm fucking working at fucking Point Roberts. Oh, sorry. I'm just ranting. Hindi ko lang alam is why Sunday and why is my work tools related to like getting the American jobs. I don't understand. Grabe yung ano? $2.08 ang gas ngayon. Mahal. So na-deny tayo sa US no, first time. Dahil may dala tayong tools. Iba rin yun pagka yung purpose mo doon is
Continue
mag-training
on
ka for
52nd
tools.
Street for 1.5 kilometers.
Ang purpose ko is mag-explore, sabi ko, Point Roberts. I don't know what to expect. What's on Point Roberts? That's why I'm exploring, right? What am I gonna do with my parts or tools? You said to empty it. Okay, so you assume the goodness of other people, but everything is like outside appearance, right? You gotta be stoic. Chawasan Springs, hindi na tayo. So, just wasting the gas to go here. And, well, at least we learn, right? We know how it is. Kanina,
In 400 meters, turn left onto
I
Highway
didn't know,
17.
like, should I go, should I not go? And then I just went, and there you go. Yeah. So tips para hindi ma-deny sa US, kailangan yung appearance mo is presentable. You know, I got a cap, and then analyst ko yung cap. He wants me to open my trunk. I got tools and everything, right? So, what's my purpose? It was like, this is my work vehicle and my personal vehicle all together. So, and there's no space for me to put my work tools and parts, right? So, yun. I got denied because I got work tools from my employer and parts from my employer in my personal vehicle. And you know, if it's personal vehicle, then you know the first 20 minutes sabi nila is commute, right? It's personal. Then I would charge you my personal the fee for putting your parts and work tools in my personal vehicle for the first 20 minutes and putting it like storage overnight or weekend here, right? So it's kung hindi dahil sa mga parts na yan, I was supposed to be exploring around for freedom, right? So it's a hindrance too. Kaya na-deny ako. So yeah, just it's a lesson learned, right? So experience, charge it to your experience. So yun. Dahil sa experience nating to, kakain tayo sa Jollibee ng palabok tsaka chicken. Yan. With pineapple thirst quencher. Isama na rin natin ng ubi pie or mango peach pie. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung mango peach pie. Parang ano lang eh, suka lang lasa ko dun sa ube. Wala akong ube na lasahan. Parang yung mango peach pie kasi parang both mango and peach, right? Fused together. At updates sa trades na may 50% tariff na yung ano no, ang Canadian goods going to the US. So, sino pang bibili nun? What it is kung bibili yung taga-US ng mga galing dito, I'm not sure the details kung anong specific products. But yeah, it's gonna be tariff, meaning yung bibili sa US, 50% tariff. So, say $100 ang item, 50% tariff is $50. 50, so 150 bibili niya, imbis na 100 lang. Yung 50 mapupunta sa US government. Talagang control lang kailangan ng government. Dahil ginagawa nila yun para they want the US to buy US. Ganun, no? So, ganun din ng Canada, yung mga whiskey ng US, they took it off the shelf or they tariffed it dollar per dollar.
In 600 meters, take exit 10 toward King George Highway, Softball City.
It's not a good, it's good for the government yung sa mga namumuno sa US. I don't know why Canada is not trying to appease
Take
the US.
exit 10.
They're bigger than us, right? So we should be adapting to what they wanted, I guess. So
In 600 meters,
Oh, low tide, oh. Yung tubig, andun sa dulo pa. Oh, wow. It's low tide. Oh, look at that. It's low tide. Dito, yung tubig dati, nandito. Ngayon, low tide, oh. Effect ng muna. Low tide. Yan, oh. Sand. Kung nagre-recede ng ganito yung tubig, ganun kalayo, oh. Gandun. So, saan napunta yung iba? Palaisipan. Di ba? Hindi natin alam. Yung pa natira dito. Yung mga tulyo. Nag-aalisan na sila dahil yan, nawala yung tubig. Baka namatay na sila.